I know I'm a little late for it, but I'm going to attempt No Run Wednesday. Okay. Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and there pining, till he appeared and his soul filled this world. The thrill of hope, a new and glorious morning, for yonder rays, a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices, all night divine, whole night when Christ was born, whole night divine, all night divine. I don't think that I did a run, but we'll see.